In this video, I'll show you how to close your Payoneer account permanently, step by step. First, sign into your Payoneer account and make sure your balance is zero. Before closing an account, Payoneer usually requires you to withdraw any remaining funds and resolve any pending transactions or payments. If there are still funds or active requests, the account closure request may not be accepted. Next, go to the Help Center inside your Payoneer account. Look for the option to contact support or submit a request. Payoneer normally handles account closure requests through customer support rather than a simple delete button in the dashboard. Now choose the topic related to account settings or close account, then submit a request asking to permanently close your Payoneer account. In some cases, Payoneer support may ask you to confirm your identity or explain the reason for closing the account before they process the request. After your request is reviewed, Payoneer support will close the account and send a confirmation email once the process is completed. Keep in mind that once the account is permanently closed, you will no longer be able to access the account or its transaction history. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.